Hey everyone, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my channel Divine Ideas. I hope you all are doing great. I know I have made this video after a really long time, but I promise that this is going to be a really fun and useful video for you all. So in this video, I have transformed an old container into a really cool and elegant plant holder. So ऐसा ही एक वीडियो मैंने पहले भी बनाया है. So if you want to check it out, you can check by clicking on this icon right here. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get started with the video now. So firstly, I've used an old container. It was a wax container. तो इसको मैंने अच्छे से वॉश कर लिया है, इसका कवर भी उतार दिया है. ये काफ़ी ओल्ड है तो यहाँ पे कुछ पैचेस भी हैं, but don't worry, it is all going to cover. Then I'm going to use these tiny pebbles I had collected from a recent visit to a riverside. If you want, you can order them online as well. And now I'm going to stick these pebbles one by one on the container using a hot glue gun. It's better if you start sticking the pebbles from the bottom to top. One more thing to keep in mind while you stick the pebbles is that you stick the flat side of the pebble. So here our first layer is completed. Now we are moving to the next. Just make sure कि आप first वाली layer को अच्छे से adjust कर लो नीचे से भी. Just look at this, it's almost completed. One thing I forgot is to make a hole, so I did it after sticking on the pebbles. Just look at this, it looks so beautiful. If you want, you can keep it like this as well. Let's move forward to the next step. At the last, to color it, I'm gonna use this spray paint. I got it from a local store. This is from MST spray paint in the color copper. ये color थोड़ा different है what I wanted, but I was really happy with the outcome. I'm going to shake it well before I use it, and slowly I'm gonna spray it all over it and cover all the spaces. Once it's all covered, just make sure you let it dry for at least an hour. And ta-da! It's done! Just look at this beauty. It looks so elegant, so stylish, and I just can't get over of this. Thanks for watching till here, guys. If you really like the video, let me know by liking it, sharing, commenting, and also you can follow me on Instagram right here. And yeah, see you in the next video. Be creative till then.